Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll dive into some essential Python practice exercises. Whether you're just starting or brushing up on your skills, these exercises will help you master Python syntax, indentation, comments, variables, scope, global and non-local keywords, and constants. Let's get started. Exercise 1, Syntax and Indentation. In Python, proper indentation is crucial. Let's write a function called greet that takes a name as input and prints a greeting message. Make sure to follow the correct syntax and indentation. Here, we define the function greet and use an f-string to format our greeting. Easy, right? Let's move on to the next exercise. Exercise 2, Comments. Comments are essential for making your code understandable. We'll include both single-line and multi-line comments in a simple script that performs a calculation. Single-line comments use the hash symbol, while multi-line comments are enclosed in triple quotes. Comments help explain what your code does. Now, let's move on to variables. Exercise 3, Variables. In Python, you can create variables of different types. Let's create and print variables of type integer, float, string, and boolean. Here, we have variables of different types. Printing the type of each variable helps us understand the data we're working with. Now, let's talk about scope. Exercise 4, Scope. Scope defines where variables can be accessed or modified. We'll write a function to demonstrate local and global scope. In this example, we have a global variable x and a local variable x inside the function. The globals function helps us access the global variable. Next, let's explore the global keyword. Exercise 5, Global Keyword. The global keyword allows you to modify a global variable inside a function. Using the global keyword, we can modify the global variable count inside the increment function. Now, let's see how the non-local keyword works. Exercise 6, Non-local keyword. The non-local keyword allows you to modify a variable in the enclosing scope. In this nested function example, nonlocal allows the inner function to modify the variable x in the outer function scope. Now, let's define a constant. Exercise 7, Constants. Constants are variables that shouldn't change. We use uppercase letters to define them. Here, pi is our constant. We use it to calculate the circumference of a circle. Thanks for watching. I hope these exercises help you practice and improve your Python skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coding tutorials. See you in the next video.